Changing your primary email on your Bethpage Federal Credit Union account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bethpage Federal Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select email preferences. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in a designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your primary email address. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bethpage Federal Credit Union's customer service for assistance.